Thank you for joining us this evening, and I must tell you it's an absolute honor to be among such esteemed guests. Yes, we all know we're here for a very special, a very thrilling reason, as I would put it. We are here at the AMG Performance Center in Mumbai to launch the Mercedes AMG C63S. That's right, the C63 AMG has been one of the highest selling performance cars in India. Packed with high performance adrenaline in the new avatar, only takes it to the next level. But yes, before we unveil the car, a very thrilling moment which we all are waiting for, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you very special host for the evening. Mr. Mohan Mariwala, Managing Director, Auto Hanger India Private Limited. Mr. Abhijit Pandit, Group CEO, Auto Hanger India Private Limited. Can you please have a huge round of applause, everybody? And joining us also this evening is Mr. Zaharuddin Khan, General Manager, Corporate and Specialty Sales from Mercedes-Benz India. Let's give them a warm welcome, guys. So before we move on to unveil this beast behind me right over here, I would quickly like to ask Mr. Mohan Mariwala to say a few words.
Thank you, Samira. Thanks a lot.